Today we have a 12-minute countdown and we have a little combo today. And we will do as many sets as possible during the 12 minutes. I will explain the exercise on the combo before I do the workout, because I think I won't be able to do it right after the workout. So, you need a medicine ball and first go in the plank position on your medicine ball. So, this is the first step. Then do a push-up, a knee tuck right, knee tuck left, side knee tuck, then jump back, jump into the squat position, grab the ball, lift it and bring it back again. And it's important that you always keep the squat position, that you lift the weight with the power of your legs and not from your back. And try to keep your abs tight and your back straight. This is really important. And in the next set, you will do the same again. Push up, side knee tuck, and then we will do a jump. Land again in the squat position, and then go on again. So, and as I said, we will do as many sets as possible during the 12 minutes. Beginners, I know it's really hard. And you can do again, you can step in this position. If you cannot do a push-up, go on your knees, do a push-up, go again in the plank position, do a side knee tuck, and then step forward again. You don't have to lift the heavy weight, just try to do at least a little jump and try to land in the squat position again, and then just go on. So, you see, there's no excuses to skip the workout. I hope you will enjoy it, and I will too. So, let's go. So guys, I managed to do 42 sets, and it was incredible, this workout. Oh. I can't see anymore because I'm sweating like crazy, and I hope that you enjoyed the workout and have fun with it, and see you next time with another one. And, oh, very important, as you can see in the video, when it got too hard for me to do the push-ups with my feet closer together, I switched in modification with my feet wider apart. I will show you. So, and I did push-ups like that with my feet really wide apart because it made it a little bit easier, and so I didn't give up. So if you cannot do them, also switch and do the easier variation. And if this will get also too hard for you, get on your knees, but don't skip it and don't give up. So now that's it, and see you next time with another workout.